think about Nimble, I think we are building a file system that's better than anything that's been built before, a storage system that's better than anything that's been built before. And I argue that looking ahead, we are likely to be one of the most successful storage systems if we can execute to the promise of what we are building.
We started shipping our product in Q3 of this year. Now we went back and looked at how every other publicly available storage company had done in its early years, and we are growing faster than every one of them.
At Nimble Storage, we are working on a bunch of challenging problems that you'll find very interesting as an engineer. We are working on devising new data structures that are suitable for memory, flash, and disk. We are leveraging highly multi-threaded programming so we can use the large number of CPU cores that are now available to us. And finally, we are building a scale-out architecture which requires interesting distributed systems technology to make it all work. This architecture combines both high performance and high capacity in a single box. The way we are able to do this is by marrying flash memory, which has good performance, with hard disks, which provide large capacity. And it takes intelligent software to get us the best of the two worlds.
And by doing that, we've radically reduced the cost of the infrastructure and at the same time actually improved performance. We've also reduced complexity because now all these three layers and processes are combined into one very seamless product. So with this reduction of cost and complexity, there is great value to customers over existing solutions.
When you look at the engineering talent we've assembled here, most of them are deep technical experts in their domain. And so the first thing you'll notice across the board is people that are very competent, people that have accomplished a lot, and people that are extremely excited about what they're working on.
I find that here we work on fun and challenging problems, and we pose fairly high expectations of people, and it's actually fun to see everybody will rise to the challenge and suddenly do things that they never thought possible.
At Nimble Storage, you'll find that we are working on a very interesting bunch of questions and challenging problems.
Every addition that we've had has impacted the culture of the company, and you see the chemistry of the whole place emerge from the individual personalities of these different people. And when a group is fairly small, as we still are very, very small, every person that we employ changes the dynamic in some way, and it brings a new chemistry, and then it's welcome.
What sort of engineers are we looking for? Well, there are two big criteria. One is that the person has to be smart. We pride ourselves on hiring really accomplished people, and we want to make sure that the team stays with that. And the second, equally important criteria is that the person has to be very easy to work with. And so if we have that combination of a smart person who's easy to work with, they will fit in very well with the culture that we have here.
So great talent, very strong passion, and a debating culture is what makes the people here fun to be with.